warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, welcome from Group 3. My name is Adinda, Esrita, Femila, Putri.
My name is Vania Amelia.
My name is Riski, Delfi, Aisa.
And we want to present our presentation about analyzing consumer market. The first one is consumer behavior. What is consumer behavior? Consumer behavior is the study of individual, groups, and organizations select, buy, use, and dispose of goods and services, ideas, or experience to satisfy their needs and wants. And there are customer behavior. The first one is social factors. Social factor is like reference group, family, roles, and status. And another factor is personal factor. Personal factor is like age and stage in the life cycle, occupation, economic circumstance, personality and self-concept, and lifestyle and value. And then cultural factor is like fundamental determinant of a person's wants and behavior. Subculture and social class.
Okay, the next one is the key psychological process. There's several key. The first one is motivation, which is there is several scientists who describe it. The first one is theory. This is assume that the psychological force shaping people behavior are largely unconscious and that a person cannot fully understand his or her own motivation. The second one is Maslow theory. This is human needs are arranged in a hierarchy from most to least basic: psychological needs, safety needs, social needs, esteem needs, and self-actualization and needs. The third one is Hesberg theory. This is developed into two-factor theory that distinguish dissatisfiers from satisfiers. The next one is perception. Perception is divided into four. There is selective attention, selective distortion, selective retention, and subliminal perception. And then in the key psychological process, there is learning, which is it's produced through the interplay of drive, stimuli, cues, responses, and reinforcement. And then motivation, which is customer response, is not all cognitive and rational, but may be emotional and invoke different kinds of feeling. And the last is memory. This is cognitive psychologists distinguish between short-term memory and long-term memory.
Next is the buying decision process, the 5-stage model. First is problem recognition, and 2 is information search, 3 is evaluation of alternatives, and 4 is purchase decision, and the last is post-purchase behavior. Behavior decision theory and behavioral economics. First one is decision heuristic. The availability heuristic is consumer base their prediction on the quickness and ease with which a particular example of an outcomes to mind. And 2 is the representative heuristic. Consumer base their prediction on how representative or similar the outcomes is to other example. And the last one is the anchoring and adjustment heuristic. Is consumer arrive at an initial judgment and the adjust is based on additional information. 2 is framing. Framing is the manner in which choices are presented to and seen by a decision maker. Framing effects are pervasive and can be powerful.
And that's all from our group.
Thank you for attention.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.